Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today's video is gonna be all about my pets. I bought these not long ago, maybe 1 week ago. Yeah. And here we go. We have them right here. I have this guy, this girl. This is the mom. See, it has like, this guy is well trained. This guy is not scared. Come on, my hand. Come on, Dad. You see this guy? This guy is a girl. This guy is a man. This girl and boy. I don't know if they're married because before I had more budgies, but I let them fly away. I don't know because I think the cage does have like it's like dirty or something. And yeah, some of them are now sick that I let them fly away. Now they when they got well, I didn't keep them. I let them fly away because I know that. And yep, and by mistake, I had one that's okay. That looks like this blue, but a bit dark. That could come in your hand. Doesn't bite. Yeah, it flew. I'm not kidding. It flew the road. Like, okay, I was taking the sick birds outside so they could fly. Then when I saw it, but did have all of them will have 4 wings. So I took them. I saw it, then it flew away from my hand. No, well, I don't have it. Do you have this guy? You're gonna hear like woo woo. These moving like when you move like a table or something. Yeah, there you go. They're just cleaning the house and these things. So I couldn't get outside because it's really noisy. So if you're not gonna hear my voice, well, there they are. I would like you to subscribe and turn notifications on and like this video. I'd like if we hit 1,000 likes. It will be like I'm gonna do away some like the new thing that comes out when I get that. A new thing, like even if it's like 1 million germs, I'm just gonna give it to you guys. So bye guys. Say bye. They don't talk. Did you hear them? Say goodbye. Say bye. Okay, now, it scratched me. Did you hear it? Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Okay, he doesn't want to. I'm gonna call. Come on, go there. Okay. Now, yo, girl, you little girl. Now, yo, say goodbye. Say goodbye. So, I don't care. Okay, she's mean, but this man is kind. Anyways, oh, she just said goodbye. Okay, they're saying goodbye, my friends. Just let them alone. Yep, and our next video, I'm gonna be here in Dubai, and we're gonna be in Sharjah. Yeah, I'm gonna go Sharjah And I might after when is it? Yeah, on Thursday I might go to Ras Al Khaimah, or I might go to Sharjah, go fishing. And tomorrow I might go fishing, I think. Well, goodbye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.